imagine a game where users are aiming to hit the target to get some points. Sounds simple, right? But here's the twist. This challenges their reflexes, keeps them focused, and encourages longer play sessions, ultimately boosting your revenue. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. And if you're new here, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. I'm Shruti, and today we are going to talk about target spin games. So if you are looking to provide amazing and thrilling game experience to your users, then this video is for you, because today I'll be sharing with you amazing concepts of twists and challenges which you can add in your own target spin application, target spin game, to make it much more challenging and amazing for your own users. So let's get started. So let's start by understanding the gameplay overview. So imagine a game where users are aiming to hit the target to get some points. Sounds simple, right? But here's the twist. The wheel can suddenly change direction or even the speed, requiring players to adapt quickly to succeed. Here, as players hit the target and earn points, the game gets progressively much more challenging for your users. Now let's go to the twists which you can add in your own game to make it much more engaging. First is a reverse spin. So to increase the engagement of your users, you can introduce a feature or a twist, the reverse spin. The wheel suddenly changes the direction, catching the players off guard. This requires the players to adapt quickly, increasing the engagement and increasing the retention as they learn to succeed in this new environment. Second is target shift. So to keep your players engaged, you can introduce target shift twist in your application. Here, the target on the wheel suddenly and unexpectedly changes the position, requiring the users to adjust their aim very quickly. This challenges their reflexes, keeps them focused, and encourages longer play sessions, ultimately boosting your revenue. Third is obstacle appearance. So here, to make the game much more challenging, you can introduce the obstacle appearance twist. Here, a random obstacle appears on the wheel, blocking the path of the player's target. And now the players have to carefully navigate around it to hit the accurate target, making timing very essential. This twist increases the complexity and the excitement, making the whole experience much more immersive, that drives users' loyalty and also encourages positive word of mouth. Next, we have time bonus. So to add an extra layer of challenge in your game, you can consider adding or introducing time bonus twist. So here what happens, here a timer appears on the screen, requiring players to hit the target before the time is over, and the players who hit the target before the time limit earn extra points. So here this twist adds urgency to the game, motivating players to make in-app purchases or watch reward ads to gain extra points. And finally, we have Mystery Target. So you can introduce an amazing twist called Mystery Target, where a mysterious target appears on the wheel, offering unknown outcome. It can be a gift voucher offering amazing bonus points, or it can be a penalty. So here this increases the sense of excitement in your users plus anticipations too. So here this twist offers excitement plus curiousness in your users, in your players, making your application much more viral, making and increasing the viral potential of your application. So there you have it, amazing and challenging twist which you can add in your target spin game to make it much more amazing and challenging for your own users. And now, if you seriously want to build your own target spin game or application, feel free to connect to us, because here in our company, we have built up countless clients to turn their dream application to reality, and right now they are generating a huge amount of revenue. And if we talk about app consultancy, then we are providing you 20 minutes free consultancy services. So to book that, you can contact us directly. Our contact number is given in the description box below. That's it for today's video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for further information, you can also visit our website, which is linked in the description. Thank you.